The secret to one of the world's most sustainable 2026 skyscraper ideas wasn't discovered in a futuristic lab. It was hidden in ancient African ruins. In the stone city of Great Zimbabwe, builders in the 11th century stacked massive granite blocks without mortar, creating walls that have survived for nearly 1,000 years. Modern engineers studying these ruins realize something shocking. While today's concrete skyscrapers rely on carbon-heavy adhesives that crack and weaken over time, Great Zimbabwe's gravity-based masonry distributes weight naturally. The ancient builders carefully shaped stones so they interlocked, allowing the walls to shift slightly under pressure instead of collapsing. Inspired by this design, architects are now experimenting with hybrid systems where precision-cut stone blocks work alongside steel cores to create more resilient structures. Some prototypes use robotic carving to recreate the ancient stacking patterns at skyscraper scale, forming buildings that rely less on chemical binders and more on structural balance. Even more surprising is the ventilation effect created by the tiny gaps between stones, which allow air to move naturally through thick walls. Engineers call this the lung effect, a passive cooling system that could dramatically reduce the energy needed for air conditioning in modern cities. Compared with concrete towers that may need major repairs within decades, the walls of Great Zimbabwe have stood strong for centuries. And as architects search for ways to build cities that last longer and pollute less, the future of skyscrapers may depend on rediscovering the engineering wisdom of the past. If you enjoy well-researched stories, compelling storytelling, and fresh perspectives that inform, inspire, and make you think, subscribe to this channel.